Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm trying to keep it like super simple. I'm like trying to get back into the swing of things and bringing you guys videos because I have just been like doing the most. Life has been the absolute most. So as you know by the title, it's a Dollar Tree haul. I got like all of these DIYs I got planned, and so I ran to the Dollar Tree because you know that's my favorite place to go for my DIYs. I just like going to the Dollar Tree. I know it's $1.25 now, but they got some good stuff. I feel inspired. I'm feeling creative. I got some ideas. So before I show you guys the DIYs, I'm going to show you what I got from there, like things that you can go out and get if you're looking to get some stuff from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I got like 3 bags of stuff to show you guys. I went and spent like 50 bucks. I know. Why am I spending $50, $60 at the dollar store? I have no idea. Probably shouldn't be, but that's neither here nor there. I swear I'm doing this video so quick. Like, I didn't do no makeup. I threw this wig on. I didn't get dressed. Like, it is what it is. So let's get into it. So first I got this like bowl. I already like tried some stuff out, like some ideas. So it's kind of dirty. It doesn't look like this when you buy it. It's cleaner. But I got this little planter ball. It is plastic, or like, yeah, it's plastic. But it's clear. So I got that. And then this tray. All this stuff was $1.25. Got this tray. They have them in gold too, but I got it in silver. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it this color, but I got it in silver. These really pretty blue flowers. They're super cute. I got like 3 or 4 bundles of those. And they're these ones. Let's see. Delilah. And then I got like a little foam block. These ones are the easy ones to like cut. Like as you can see, you can indent it quickly. They're not like the super hard ones. I like the softer ones. I got this Floral Market planter thing. I'm not going to use it as a planter, but it still would be cute as one. Can't wait to show y'all what I'm going to use for this. I got a shower curtain liner because I need a shower curtain liner. I got these little thingies for your furniture to not scoot all over the place. What are they called? Felt pads. The ones that are on my dining room chairs right now, they're coming off, so I need to get some new ones. A sanding block because DIY projects. Some drop cloth, like the plastic drop cloth, because DIY projects. I got some candlesticks because DIY projects. Then if you guys do not use this awesome cleaner, it's literally called Awesome. I use it like for everything. I've carpet cleaned with it. I wash my clothes with it. I clean everything with it. Like it'll show you on the back. It's concentrated, so on the back it'll show you how much water to mix with whatever you're trying to use it for. And literally, it's better than bleach or OxyClean. Like I love this stuff. Then they have these 2 candles that I couldn't pass because they're super cute, and one's blue, one's pink. You probably haven't seen much of the apartment. If you watch my vlogs, you might, but the theme in like the apartment is like pink and blue. Everything's either pink or blue. Like, so I got these 2 candles because I thought they'd be really cute and match the decor. Then I got 3 of them actually. These glass candle holder, they're glass candle holders. Really cute. I haven't been able to find a 4th one because I kind of want to do a DIY with them, and I need 4 to do it. But if not, I have a different idea where I can use these 3, and they're really, really cute. Okay, so in the next bag, I have, I think, some fall stuff too, but mostly still DIY stuff. I got this little paint tray and brush. It comes with a brush, a little roller, and some gloves, and then you can use the tray to pour your paint into. Again, when you do small DIY projects, this is super, it comes in handy. I got some foam paint brushes because I'm going to be working with some chalk paint. This sign I'm going to zhuzh up myself because the colors don't match my vibe. But yeah, this is super cute. It says autumn if you can't see, but it's really cute. It's like a shadow box, and it's like die cut out, or whatever you call those things, the cutouts. I'm just making up words, but it's really cute, and I can't wait to redo it. Next, I have this sticker. Again, this will be for a DIY. These stickers are just so cute. Very boho vibes. Very cute. And again, everything is like gold, blue, and pink because clearly that's my vibe. And then I got these boards. DIY project, obviously, but they have these are 8x10, but they have them in 11x20. I think that's the size. But for the project that I'm doing, I just needed 4 of these 8x10s. Got this really, it's also plastic like the bowl that I showed you, but this is really cute cake stand, and obviously it's going to be a DIY. So I got these little rocks to go. It's like, I'm not DIYing anything with this, but it's for decoration. That's the word I was looking for. Decoration. Then I got these floating candles. Like, they're not always at the Dollar Tree, so when you find them, I would grab them because at like Hobby Lobby, they're double the price. So, and they do float. I've used them before, and they float in water. So I love these. I got some dry erase markers because I'm trying to get organized in my life. And then I got some magnets. I wish they had the sheet magnets. I thought that they did, but I couldn't find any. Then I got like a chalk marker or chalk pen or whatever the hell it's called. And then last in this bag, I got some scented tea candles. All right. So let's get to the fall signs because yes, I love this. I know you can like DIY them with the pumpkins yourself, but it's just super cute that they already come like this, even though I wish they were, again, these orange ones were like pink or something, or tan. I feel like it would go with my decor better, but this is really cute, and I probably will do like a little makeover on it. I hate to call makeovers DIYs because it's really just a makeover. It's not a DIY. I'm not making something myself. Then I got these pumpkins. I got 2 of these and then 1 of this one. I'm going to change the wording on them, but the colors are perfect. I don't have to paint them, and that is going to save lives because it's just a lot. Like, I don't really have that much time. So we're on the last bag. Anybody else happy to be on the last bag? I really just wanted to get this video out of the way because I'm ready to start the DIY projects and I needed to get it done. So anyways, y'all, I found, can you see this? Is it like focusing? Do you see the design of this? It looks so high end. It's like it gives off a gold color. I don't know if that's what it's giving off on camera, but it's like a white and gold color, and I was just floored. I was like, oh my gosh, this contact paper is so high end looking for $1.25. And no, the rolls aren't like super long or whatever, but it's a nice print for $1.25. And then I finally found the marble. Like, I've seen people haul this over and over and over, and I could never find it in my stores, but I finally found the marble ones. I got a table that I need to redo. It's actually like a faux marble table, and I just need to recover it. So I was happy to find this so I didn't have to order like the $13-14 one on Amazon, but this will work. I bought 2 of these. Next, y'all, I literally went in Dollar Tree just to like get some inspiration, and I walk in and I see pumpkins. Now, y'all already know I am a pumpkin kind of girl. Like, if I don't do anything else for the fall or Halloween decorating, I'm gonna put a pumpkin out, at least, at minimum. Your girl got to have a pumpkin. So I found these like faux leather pumpkins. how freaking cute are they? So they have them in like this rust color. Then they had it in this gray color, which is really cute. And then don't even play with me, the texture and the color and the just everything about this pumpkin is my favorite. I thought I had another one, but I could be tripping. Maybe not, but if I find it, I'm gonna put it back in here somewhere, like a picture or something. But they had like a grayish blue one that I thought I got, but maybe I didn't. But these pumpkins, yes, I love them. Next, I finally got my hand onto these like little broom holder hook thingies. Really come in handy. I know they've been out for a while, but I finally got my hands on one. So I got a blue dish towel. Nothing spectacular about that. It's just needed a new dish towel. Next, I'm doing of course it's all crinkled up, but I am doing like a DIY calendar to kind of get my life together. And they had these like peel and stick chalk thingies. So I'm gonna be able to do that because I'm making my own little calendar to go on like the fridge or the wall or something like that. So I bought this. It's a 2-pack. I wish they had the magnets like this. I remember them having magnet sheets, and I couldn't find them. I did find small magnets, but not the sheets. So that sucks. But we gonna make it do what it do. Then I got this mirror. I want to show y'all, have a full flashback, but I got this mirror. It is just the thinner one. It's not like the one that has like the thick side. Some tea light candle holders. I probably will spray paint these, but I do like the high-end look of this one. I just feel like this one is like all cracked and the color is it's stark white and I don't really like it. But it has a tea light holder. See if I can, yeah. So that one's a tea light holder. I thought it was really cute. It's nice and heavy. And then this one's lighter, but it's also a tea light holder. And then lastly, I got this sign. Again, I'm going to do a makeover on it, but I loved what it says. It says autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. Really cute sign. And then it has like these beads up here. I'm also going to take that, but this is going to be like a little display probably in a bathroom. So that is it. Okay, so that was the entire haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you saw some stuff that maybe you could use. If you're ready for the DIYs that I have, go ahead and click that subscribe button because I'm super excited about them. Like, I think they're gonna be really great. I'm excited about getting back into DIYing because, you know, I'm a crafty kind of girl. But yeah, if you enjoyed, click that thumbs up button and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.